SOLLAS, we make packaging machinery which are reliable in operation and easy to operate for our customers.
What makes SOLLAS successful is the combination of quality and flexibility. A couple of years ago we decided to focus especially on the perfume cosmetic industry and are the best in that industry.
There are a few reasons why we use 3 different platforms. That is scalability and also cost efficiency. What we see if we go to our budget machine, that is based on an 1200 CPU in combination with V90 with PTO, pulse train technology. That works really good when it is 1 or 2 single axes, that there's no relation between the axes. If we go now to the mid-range machine where we also use the T-CPU, we see that we have interaction between the different servo drives. And with the T-CPU we are able to manage that. You have the option for camming, and you have the option for gearing, start, stop and all those things. Now with the Profinet you have a real big benefit that you have feedback from your drive to your controller. But it still keeps it quite simple. If you compare the T-CPU to the C-Motion, it's really simplified. Just based on the standard function blocks that are also available in the TIA portal. But if you really want to have high performance, what we also use in our high-end machines, we use the C-Motion. So for all the 3 different machine portfolio that we have also a solution from Siemens that fits to that part.
The biggest benefit for the end customer of the T-CPU will be that they are very familiar with used software. Because it's based on the standard SIEMENS S7 software, and also it's a very robust and stable new motion control platform.